Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm going to make a really good video for Facebook profile users or whoever using Facebook page or profile. If you keep getting notification on your Facebook page or profile like you are following some of the groups you even don't know, or some of the pages you even don't know, or the notification you liking some of the videos but you don't recognize those you have done, then maybe your Facebook page profile have been logged on other device than you own. So how you can check those? You go to your page, Facebook page or profile, whatever you're using. Here on the right side on the corner on your desktop, even on your cell phone app is the same. You click on the logo, you go here setting and privacy. From here we are going to choose activity log, and this side on left hand side here you will see activity history. Here you have all your activity log. It will take a couple seconds to pop up, like recently you have been using your Facebook page on the devices where it has been active. So that's all you can check. If you did not recognize it, then you have to change your password and logged out from all the devices you not on. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video with the new topic.